I get questions a lot of how can I mess up my case? I've come up with the top 5 ways that you can ruin your injury case. Now when people are in an auto accident here in Myrtle Beach or the surrounding areas, what that person does or does not do immediately after the accident can greatly impact their auto accident claim. Most drivers are not aware of what to do immediately after the accident when they're injured. And I'm going to try to attempt to say the top 5 common things I've found that will negatively impact your accident claim. And hopefully after you listen to this video, you're going to have a better understanding of what to do if the unfortunate happens and you are involved in an auto accident involving yourself or involving a loved one. Now, number 1, failure to get treatment. If you refuse EMS treatment at the scene because you thought you felt fine, only to wake up the next day in pain from the auto accident, that'll mess you up. And failure to follow up with your other doctors and your other treatment. Always seek medical attention if you're injured in an auto accident. After treatment, follow up with all your doctor's orders for subsequent treatments, and don't try to tough it out. Follow their instructions. Now, failing to document critical evidence is another way. Did you take pictures? Are you taking pictures of your car as well as the at-fault car? Did you take pictures of yourself after the accident, the scene? You need to document everything. Failing to document can negatively affect your claim. Always try and take as many pictures as possible. When you come into my office, right after I sign you up, I take pictures of you and your car if it's available. Get my investigators out there and go from there. Failing to identify witnesses. If a witness is interviewed by the police or if you see somebody that saw it, try to identify them so that we can get our investigators to look at it. Sometimes the cops will never even, they just work the wreck, give you the FR10 and move on. Try to identify all the potential witnesses. We don't know if we need them later. It might help us prove liability. Never admit fault. Admitting fault is one of the worst things you can do. Sometimes you'll jump out, you might be potentially in shock, you say, I'm sorry. Those little words can mess up your case. If you're questioned by the police or the other driver, do not admit fault. Don't apologize. Don't offer too much information. That usually can ruin your case. Again, do not admit fault. The last thing, failing to hire an auto accident lawyer. We're committed to getting you worked out and getting you a good, fair settlement. Failing to hire and try to do it alone can be the nail in your coffin for your claim. As a Myrtle Beach auto accident lawyer, we investigate your case, work with the insurance adjusters, make sure we get the treatment that you need, and most importantly, represent all your interests to the fullest extent of the law. Give me a call. I have a huge litigation team of 3 lawyers and support staff and interns that work solely on auto accident litigation. Give me a call. We handle all accident claims. We can meet you at your hotel, or at your hospital. Excuse me, I'm not going to come to your hotel. But give me a call. We'll come to your home, come to your hospital room. We'll work with you. We take it from start to finish through settlement or trial. Give me a call, 843-839-4111.
When life gets ugly, justice is love.